Let's talk about some different arms and how they can activate the abdominals even further. There's a couple of really popular different arm lines that you can do with the big rocking horse. One is the straight pull down and push forwards. Now I prefer to do that with fingers open. It feels better than with hands cupped. And that, when you think about throwing yourself forwards with that, it's a powerful abdominal activator. So talk about the abdominals with the rocking horse, because it's magic how it activates those deep abdominal muscles to throw yourself forwards. And it really is. I don't know how many of you have talked about abdominals when you talk about rocking horse, but it's really, really good. So bring the hands in closer if you want to work the abdominals more. Take the hands out wider if you want to work your upper body more. And the abdominals, of course, are going to be involved, but there's a lot more abdominal recruitment when you've got your arms closer to the side of your body. A personal favourite arm line for me is the figure of 8. That's when the arms go over and under, over and under. I love doing the figure of 8. Check it out. It just feels so fantastic. And the figure of 8 also works really well with the short, fast rocking horse. It's such an amazing feeling to feel your chest muscles and your abdominal muscles engage every time you throw yourself forwards. So rocking horse, what is it? It's an exercise that works predominantly your upper body and your abdominals when taught properly.